Hi there, this is Carla from DIY Happy Home, and today I'm making lemon icebox pie. I have 2 cups of heavy cream here that I'm going to whip with half a cup of powdered sugar. There's the powdered sugar, and I'm going to put in 4 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Vanilla. We're going to whip this until it forms soft peaks. That's looking good. All right, let's see. Dude, I think that's done. Look at that. Looks great. Okay, now I'm going to switch beaters. Put these attachments on, so I'm switching to this, 2 of these, and I'm going to set my whipped cream aside. And in this bowl, I have softened cream cheese, 1 brick, and I have a half a cup of sweetened condensed milk and a whole jar, basically a cup of lemon curd. I use Bon Maman's lemon curd. And I'm going to whip this up. And scrape down my bowl. See how these lumps of the cream cheese get on the edge, so you want to make sure it gets well incorporated. And the bottom. Cream cheese and whipped cream. Oh yeah. It's nice and creamy now. And I'm going to fold in some of that luscious whipped cream. Fold in about 1 cup of that whipped cream and leave the remaining for the top. I'm also using a store-bought honey-made graham cracker crust today. So I'm going to fold this in. And this is going to chill in the freezer for 2 hours. But before this goes in the pie crust, I'm going to top it with the rest of that luscious whipped cream. Okay, that's nice and incorporated. There it is. I love a graham cracker crust. That smells good. Filling's gonna go in. I'm gonna put this whipped cream on top. Pile it high. Get this in the freezer. Just give me the whipped cream. Oh, do a little fancy something on the top. Okay, that's gonna go in the freezer for 2 hours, and I'll show you what it looks like once it's done. This was perfect for a hot summer day. Light, refreshing, lemony, not too heavy. The perfect dessert for summer. Garnish with some fresh berries of your choice, a little bit of fresh mint, and enjoy. I hope you guys give this one a try.